Hey guys, my name is Kaimana Kane, and today we're going to be teaching you a 5-count combo.
Yep.
I really like it.
So you might notice I have revgear's belly pad protecting my liver because that's what we're aiming for. If you don't know how damaging the liver can be, watch any Boss Rutan video. I think there's a Boss Rutan liver shot highlight reel. Basically, from what I understand, you know, your liver contains a lot of your toxins in your body and whatever, and get hit pretty hard. Doesn't even have to be that hard, but all of a sudden those toxins get released into your bloodstream, and you might see somebody hit me with the liver like this, and they're like this, and all of a sudden, oh, they go down. It's excruciating. It looks almost like someone's taking a dive because it's just a little bit delayed reaction, but that's just the toxins pumping through the body. But this is going to be a 5-punch combo that attacks the liver as well as some other shots.
As well as the head.
As well as the head. So we're going to start with this. What are we doing first?
So first off, we're going to start by a jab. Once you do that, you're going to throw a punch at you, and you want to slip that punch. Once you slip that punch, you want to hit a cross. And once you do that, the cross is kind of going to drop into a
So you're changing levels right there,
Yep.
and you're at lower level. Liver shot.
Liver shot.
Your hand is there for an uppercut.
And then uppercut. And then last shot, tap to the head.
Boom, liver shot. Are you doing ice cream cone?
Ice cream cone, not this.
Again, so you might have seen some of the other videos. If you try and do a hook this way, you might miss it. But again, with your knuckles like this, or regular fist, it's about 2 inches. And if you do miss, could completely under miss, and now you expose your whole side jaw where they can counter. So one of the other things we always highly recommend is doing your hook like this. So, because now it doubles the size of your fist, and the chance of me missing drops in half. And all I gotta do is connect 1 or 2 on the chin, dislocate the jaw, break the jaw, knock out his teeth, or just hurt him really bad, all right? So we're gonna go ahead, so we start off slow, we aim. Every time we're doing a boxing combo, what we wanna do is we wanna know what we're doing and why we're doing it, right? So what's the jab used for?
The jab is used as, well, basically a jab and a setup for how to slip, and then a cross, and then...
Or the jab is used also to measure distance. You see people doing this, so then I'm not hitting them, so then he comes in closer. Now I know, okay, if I jump in a little bit, now I'm gonna hit him, right? So jab is used to also measure distance, but also if I want to get his hands to protect his head, because I want to do a body shot right away. So I want to go ahead, head, high, low, high, or high, low, low, high. You're setting up your shots, okay? We're starting with this, the 5-punch combo. You see his elbows are down by his side. He's gonna do a jab. I'm countering with another punch. He slips.
Then cross.
Straight right.
And then change levels. Liver shot. Uppercut. Then hook. By that time, they'll already be dropping to the ground.
Yes. So what it looks like a little bit sped up, because once he slips and he's down, he does the hook. He's still down low, and then he pops up. One of the ways to generate more power is by pivoting on the balls of your feet. So if you look at our feet, when I'm throwing, whatever punch is throwing, I should be on the ball of my foot. If I'm doing a 2-3, which is a straight right, and then I'm going to do the 3 is a lead left, I'm going to go ahead and now change my feet on the ball of my feet as I'm throwing that, okay? So it's going to be 2, 3, and I'm staying on the ball of my feet. You're kind of like flexing your muscle, you know, because ladies might be watching, right? You gotta look good, right? So again, so jab.
So jab, slip the punch, cross, then go change levels, hook. So number 6, right uppercut, and then hook to the face. A few seconds, they'll be dropping to the ground.
You can add a 6th punch to this after the hook is a straight right, so we're gonna do it again. So 1, boom. All right, they should be finished. Ready? So we'll do the 5-punch a little bit faster, and
Then full speed.
then we'll add the 6th one just for bonus, just, you know, because we like to do a free bonus there. Ready? So come a little bit closer this way. Ready?
Do I do the 6th one?
Just do 5 right now. Yeah. Okay. What he's doing is he's exhaling. It's scientifically proven when you exhale, like you might hear in karate, you go, "Jai!" You know, something like that. Or in Muay Thai, "Oh-wee!" You know. What you're doing is it actually contracts your core muscles to strengthen. So if I'm punching at the same time he's hitting a liver shot, I'm actually contracting my muscles to go ahead and protect my body a little bit so it won't inflict as much damage. But it's also been scientifically proven that I can punch up to 10% harder. So it's punch, kick, knee, elbow, whatever, depending on what score you're on. For boxing, let's do this. Come back a little bit this way, a little bit more in the middle. Hands up, go. Good. Move. Move. Go. Good. Can you do a little bit faster now? So we're going to work on technique. You start off when you're doing boxing combinations on technique. So we're going to go slow, technique, boom, he's focusing, throw it, he slips, follows up with a 2, see he's pivoting on the ball of his foot. He goes to the liver, 3, this hand comes up, uppercut, see he's just transferring his feet from like this to this, almost like, kind of how I dance, you know. Hey. All right, so you do that again. So jab, 1, 2, here, uppercut, left hook, boom. And now for the 6 combo punch, he's going to transition, watch the ball of his feet as he throws it straight right, boom. Same way, okay? Let's go to 5, ready? A little bit faster. So you work technique, speed, power, then you combine all of them. Ready? Technique, technique, 2, liver, 6, uppercut, 3, hook to the body, okay? Now speed, not so much power, just speed. Ready? Good. Come this way, speed again. Oh, I messed up. Go ahead, go again, go ahead. Good. Now, power shot. You don't want to do power shots all your time. You might be like, tap, 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 bam! Big power shot. But for the drill, to go ahead and work on the speed, the agility, the technique, and the power, we're going to just do straight power shots. So even the jab is going to be a power. So this one's going to be a little bit slower. Ready? Power. 2. Liver. Upper. Right, left hook. Right cross. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing a little bit faster. Ready? Good. Again, this way. Just a 5-punch combo. Ready? Go. Good. Now fast, technique, so speed, technique, and power. Ready? Ready? Hands up. A lot of times what I'll do to get them warmed up a little bit, come a little bit closer. I'll wake them up. Come a little bit closer. It's like a bully. Get out of here, boom! And then he goes into it. Ready? Go. Good. Again. Get out of here. Go. Oh yeah, I messed up. Get out of here. Do it again. Do it again. Go. Good. Now with the bonus punch. This straight right again. Ready? Come on. I really love it. Get away from me, kid. Get away from me. Come on. Go. Oh yeah, again. Faster. More power shots. Ready? Go. Oh yeah. This was close. This is why it's important to have protective gear. What are we using?
Revgear.
Why?
Because, first of all, arguably one of the best martial arts websites, brands.
The gear. A lot of pros use it, right?
Yeah.
Eric Paulson, CSW. All his gym is outfitted with Revgear. All the belly pads, all the focus mitts, all the heavy bags, boxing gloves. A lot of professional MMA gyms, they have it all over the country, some all over the world, that have all this Revgear because of its high quality stuff. All right? You do one more just for fun? Oh, yes, he does. Ready? Go. Oh, I forgot. Go, do it again. Good. Now this way. Right here. Oh, I forgot. Again. Go. All six. Go. Good. Do faster, more power. Ready? Ba. Good. You want to say anything?
Yeah. Let me catch my back. Okay.
Say anything?
So before I end this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Revgear. They've helped me a lot. I'm sponsored by them, so make sure to go check them out. Check out their website. It has many different things such as kick shields, belly pads, gloves, shin guards, boxing guns,
Apparel, punching bags,
yeah.
gis. They even got for close quarter combatives, reality-based self-defense. They have plastic guns, knives, or rubber guns, knives, a lot of other stuff. Headgear, which he's not wearing right now.
But one more special thing is I have a special gift for you guys. So when you go to the checkout center, you could check out, but before you check out, scroll down go to the tab that says add coupon. My first name, Kaimana, as the coupon code. You can get 10% off of everything. Belly pads, gloves, punching bags, headgears, whatever.
All the gear. Show him again how powerful the liver shot is. Once you do all straight power shots, get a little bit closer. Ready? See, he's gonna duck down. So I'm throwing a punch. He's slipping it. He's down. Thank you for the revgear. Again. Good. Right here. Come on. Get it harder. Hit it hard as you can. I'm not falling down. All right.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to use the coupon code Kaimana, Kaimana, 10% off of everything you get. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And shock out of here. I don't know.
What do you think? What was going to hit him? Oh, it's good. If you know this one. All right. Out of here.